Assalamu alaikum everyone. I will show you how to install a screen lens or camera lens screen. It's so simple. First of all, you have to take the first wipe and clean the lens area very well, removing greases and any other things like dust or fingerprints. This is by the first wipe. Okay, now the second one is the dry wipe, which will remove the remains of that liquid which clean that area. The lens screen protector comes in a lot of shapes, but this one only covered from the bottom. You may find the protector covered from both of sides, but this one covered only from one side. So you have to remove it gently and place it in the lenses area and gently adjust it. Now have to press not so hard to evacuate the bubbles or the air, and that's it. It's so easy. Now I will check the camera performance and if there is any issues. Oh, I believe it's very good. Nothing bad. It may improved. And that's it. Thank you. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum.